Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Eufy doorbell ringing by itself. Now on your Eufy video doorbell, the chime can be triggered by the motion alerts or detection glitches. So if the motion detection is too sensitive, the system may treat movement as a ring event. So in order to fix it, you can just simply open your Ring application. Inside it, you need to basically reduce the sensitivity and you can also adjust the activity zones. If your doorbell is wired, unstable voltage can also trigger the random signals. This can make the chime ring without anyone pressing it. So you need to inspect your wiring and the transformer. If the doorbell restarts or behaves oddly, power instability is likely the cause. So you can open the Eufy security application, and inside it you can check for the notification settings. Make sure that the motion alerts are not configured to trigger chimes unnecessarily. Also check if multiple devices or users are triggering the notifications. Now, if your model uses the home base, the connection glitches can cause the unexpected behavior. In that case, you need to simply reset or restart your home base and sync it again with the doorbell. Now, even after doing all of these steps, the issue still continues. Then you just have to simply reset the doorbell and you can set it up again. This particular step clears the software bugs and incorrect configurations. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.